Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing a get ready with me using makeup that I found at Family Dollar. I have two different brands. I have LA Colors and I have RK by Kiss. I don't know what the RK stands for. Does it mean Ruby Kiss? I don't know. But they're based out of Belgium. And Family Dollar isn't like the dollar store. Not everything is $1. So most of these products were between like $3 and $5, which is, you know, fine. So let's get on with the eyeshadow. I have two palettes. I have the LA Colors Nude palette and I have the RK by Kiss Dear Diary series Daily Life Unlock Your Story palette. I don't actually know the name of this. I'm confused. Anyway, there's 12 shadows in here. There's 10 shadows in here. And this looks oddly reminiscent of J-Cat Pocket shadows. I don't know who came out first, but I mean, I guess who's not stealing from each other these days. They're both neutral palettes. I didn't want to get anything particularly like bright or bold or crazy looking because I wanted to do just a more neutral eye look today, like an everyday kind of makeup look. And the mail just came and I got some pretty amazing eyeshadows from JD Glow Cosmetics. I will unbag them at the end of the video if you guys want to check them out and see. I've gotten stuff from them, like I've ordered stuff from them before and they are like incredible, so I'm pretty excited about these. All right, so we're gonna get right into the eyeshadow. I already primed and set my eyes. So first I'm gonna go into the Ruby Kiss palette and I'm gonna take this kind of flesh shade and I'm just gonna put that all up in my crease. There's definitely some pigmentation. I mean, it's actually okay. Right. Oh, and this is the Quivange crease brush. I used this in my recent Get Ready With Me using Amazon brushes. Now I'm using my Morphe 332 brush, and I think I'm gonna go in with this like olivey taupe shade. All right, I'm gonna go in with this shade because this shade didn't, I mean, these look exactly the same, but this shade, which is the first one I used out of here just now in the crease, did nothing. And I'm looking like really close. These are packed super tight. Like there wasn't even any fallout with that one, which was kind of strange. So I'm going into that other one, which was like a smidge deeper. This is the one I just used down here. Now I'm gonna go in with this one, which, yeah, they're like the same shade, but that one literally, like there was not even any fallout. There's a little something. I'm getting something. I'm actually gonna switch brushes. All my fucking brushes are green from yesterday. Does anybody want to see a like video on like Viseart palettes? And this brush is the dual-ended brush from my Profusion palette. It's definitely giving me something. It's subtle though, but I mean, I do see something. Okay, the next color I'm gonna go in with is from the Ruby Kisses palette. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I guess I'm gonna try to do like a cool kind of smoky eye. And I'm sticking with this brush here. Another subtle color, but I mean, there's something there. It's looking a little patchy now. It's almost like that thing where you have to like kind of scrub down to like get pigment. But I mean, I don't know. Like, do you want something that's overly pigmented and like you have to clean it up? Or do you want something that you can keep like building with? I don't know. All right, I'm gonna try that color next to it, which looks like one of those like matte shades with glitter in it, which I feel like when you pick it up with your brush, it's just going to be glitter. I mean, it's just gonna be matte. I'm gonna switch brushes for this. We are gonna do my Sigma E25. So far, this was the nicest color that I have found. All right, let's go in with this really dark crease color over here, this like charcoal gray color. I mean, this eye looks dirty, this looks okay. Nothing looks great though. So these are some of the metallic shades from both palettes. Again, none of them are particularly great, but none of them are particularly great. I don't really know what else to do. No, you know what? I'm gonna go in with this metallic crease shade right here, which I normally wouldn't put in the crease, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And I'm gonna go in with my No Name ColourPop brush. Okay, that's giving me some kind of dimension at least. All right, and I think now I'm going to go into the black shade to see if I can deepen it up even more in the crease. This side looks like a fucking mess, but I don't really care at this point. We're gonna do a cut crease. I've also forgot concealer, so I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution. All right, and I think I'm gonna go in with this gold metallic shade right here. I'm just gonna use my finger. That is a very hard shadow, yikes. Again, kind of a mess. All right, I'm gonna apply some false lashes, also from the dollar store. I'm just gonna do it off camera. So they're LA Colors multi-pack dramatic lash. It comes with like little tweezers. I will let you know how they apply when I come right back. All right, so lashes are on and they're actually okay. I fucked up because I cut them a little too short, so that's my fault, not theirs, but they went on easy for the most part. I used my own glue and my own like tweezer things because mine are like metal and I'm just used to holding them. These are just kind of, I don't know, I didn't feel like right holding them, so I just used my own. But these are a good tool to get with lashes because they're very, like I can't put lashes on without these like lash tweezers. I got these off eBay for like $2, FYI, if you want like heavy duty metal ones. All right, now we're gonna go in with the LA Colors Radiant Skin Nourishing Long Wear Liquid Makeup. It was this or like a matte one, so obviously I went with this one. I mean, this is ungodly light. This is the color beige. I mean, this is gonna be serious. All right, so this is my little metal sheet thing that I put my foundation on. And I'm just gonna dab with my beauty blender and go in. All right, it's not horrifyingly white. I mean, natural finish, buildable coverage, nourishes with vitamin A. And I can definitely see right off the bat, like it's a more dewy, lighter kind of finish, which I like. And I mean, I'm always down to find affordable foundations. Because who's fucking kidding who? Drugstore foundations are just getting more and more expensive, like by the month. And it says buildable, so I'm going to try to build it a little bit more where where a little bit of red is showing through. Yeah, but I mean, like drugstore foundations now are like $15, $12, $13. I'm liking this very much, I have to say. The eyes, no. But the face, like, I'm kind of digging that. And again, I don't have concealer, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more of this like under my eyes. And honestly, it kind of has the consistency of like a BB cream. I'm gonna use my finger a little bit to pat that in. I'm pretty happy with my foundation so far. I guess we'll see how it looks with powder on top of it. I'm just gonna use like normal, like things that I don't have, I'm just gonna use what I normally would use because I know how they work and I know how well they work. And I feel like it is oxidizing a little bit and it looks kind of orange to me right now, but I also have a ring light in my face, so I'm not really sure how it's going to translate once I am done filming like onto the screen. Okay, so we're going to powder me down and I'm gonna be using my Bourjois Silk Edition Powder Compact. This is a European brand. This, I'm gonna make a bold claim. This is a pretty close dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. I did a side to side with them yesterday and they looked very, like the finishes looked very, very similar. You can still see a little bit of the light of like the dewiness. That's fun. And in case anybody wants to know, this is the Morphe E2 brush. Now let's do bronzer, which again, this is not from Family Dollar. This is the BH Cosmetics Bronze Babe Brilliance bronzer. Oh God, I'm kind of scared. Let's finish under my eyes. Okay, you know what? I'm actually gonna go in with this warm lid shade right here, and I'm gonna buff under my eyes with this. All right, now one of my favorite things, blush. We are going with the Ruby Kisses RK by Kiss. I guess it's Ruby Kisses, is that right? Yeah, it's Ruby Kisses. This is the blusher in Bearing Bear, and it's a quad, and it also comes with a highlighter, so that's fun, but I have a different highlighter to use, so. Oh dear God, okay. This has a ton of kickback. You know what? I decided no. I think since this might be overkill, you know what? No, I'm going to mix these two together. All right, so I have two things for brows. All right, so I have the LA Colors Browie Wowie Brow Pencil in the color Dark. And I have the Browie Wowie by LA Colors Tinted Brow Gel. And I think I'm gonna go with the Tinted Brow Gel because I've never actually used a tinted brow gel. And it has the tiny little wand right there, but this is very like goopy looking and like wet. It's a subtle difference, I guess. Okay, that actually wasn't too bad. I'm a little pleasantly surprised about this. I'll save this one for another time. Now we're going to highlight, and I have the LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder. It can't be wrong. I mean, look at that color. This is in the shade Champagne. It comes with a blotter that no one will use to apply it. Note to self, you don't need a lot. Good Lord. All right, and now for lips. And we have two shades, which are basically the same fucking color. I don't know what I was thinking. We have the LA Colors Matte Lipstick in Whirlwind and Broadway Colors True Matte Lipstick in Lemon Pie. And can I just fucking tell you how much I love the name of this and the fact that it's pink. So I'm imagining a pink pie that's actually tastes like lemon. These colors don't match this eye look, but I don't care. I don't actually know if I would call this matte. It's on my teeth. It's like more of like a satin kind of finish. There is a little bit like of a sheen to it, but very pretty, and yay for lemon pie. And you know, we're gonna put this on top of it because why not? This is more of the matte shade, and it almost has like a tinge of like corally redness to it. I love that. And I'm actually gonna put this in my use more drawer because I love the little bit of like that coralness this had to it. All right, so I'm gonna tell you my yes products and my fucking don't go near them products. Yes to these are beautiful. Fuck yes. I think this is really nice. Again, I do see a little bit of oxidation, but I don't think it's horrible. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks like it's really oxidized on me or what? Because I definitely see like a hint of yellowy orangeness, but I don't know if it's because the light is shining directly on me or if it's really oxidizing badly. I'm gonna keep this around because I do actually like what it did. Again, it's more so for a no makeup kind of day if you want your brows filled in a little bit. The blushes are fine. I did have another blush to use because I've used these in the past. This is okay, but if you're at Family Dollar and you want to try a blush, use the LA Colors Rad Rouge blushes. These are incredible. This is like my third one that I've gotten and I love it. And okay, as far as these go, no fucking no to the LA Colors Nude palette. I think they had one or two other like shades of these. You know what, I'm not even gonna be generous. None of these were really good. I mean, my eye look is like kind of shit. So I would definitely pass on these, maybe look for something else there from another brand if they have it. And the actual lashes look okay, actually. It was my fuck up for cutting them a little short, so they're actually starting like here. But other than that, I think the look actually came out not horrific. Oh wait, we didn't open these. Let's open them. All right, so this company was having a big sale. Follow them on Instagram and you'll know when they're actually like their sales are happening. But I got 5 shadows and they come in like these are big pans. I'm swatching them. I mean, what am I even doing? Whew, okay, apparently I was on like a green kick. All right, so here we go. We have Emerald, Unexpected, Chartreuse, Pacific, and Blow down here. Oh my god. And don't even bother fucking asking because I will be using these in a video coming up. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will list JD Glow's website below if you guys want to check them out. It's not an affiliate link. They don't know who I am. But if they want to send me stuff, please feel free. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.